Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by FernTrust and Garcia Group Glass.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we'll make an arrangement the fast and easy way. So holiday times for professional florists can be a very busy time. And today, I want to show you a few things that are going to make the holidays easier. When you think about holidays, Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, what happens is everyone sends flowers. It's the perfect time to send your lover or to send your mother a great flower arrangement. So florists are busy. They have to make lots and lots of arrangements to get all of those people happy for the holidays. With a couple of great products, I'll show you how to do it faster. We always talk about production lines, and we talk about taking care of ourselves. We work hard as people who create flowers, so we want to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves and doing things as quickly and easily as we possibly can. The first thing is vases. Many times, vases can come in huge boxes. Those are hard to lift or to stick under your counter or carry in and out. I love the FlorGlas vases that are made by the Garcia company. The smart thing about these vases is that they come in small boxes. There's 6 vases per box. The other thing that's time-saving about them is that they're all packaged right side up. Many times to save space, vases might be packed upside down. But in this case, they're already packed. They come in great colors, so that's easy too. And they've got a great little plastic bag that helps prevent anything from happening to the surface of the vase. The other thing that's great about FlorGlas is that it's made in America. And we're always looking for American-made products. It's a great way for us to support the USA. In this case, these can also be used for a carrying case. We've already filled our vases with water and they're ready to go. So greening bouquets can be difficult too, because you might have stacks of different types of boxes or buckets of all sorts of different foliage. That's where FernTrust fabulous foliage bouquets come into play. These bouquets are already pre-made, and they have a beautiful mixture that allows us just to fill in with flowers. We cut the stems and drop them into place. So a box like this could be pre-greened ahead of time, easily and quickly, and be all ready to go. So see how fast it's already starting to come together? We're saving time, and we're going to be able to spend more time making beautiful flower arrangements. When you're looking for beautiful flowers and going to the place that you buy flowers, you also might see this green bouquet there. It's a great way for you to start an arrangement. In a vase like this, it's already pre-greened and you can simply add flowers. I love the ultimate bouquet because it's a big bouquet. And in a vase like that, it's almost an arrangement all by itself. We can add a few flowers or just enjoy an all-greenery bouquet. Let's see how quickly an arrangement goes together using a FlorGlas vase and a fabulous foliage bouquet. One of the most popular arrangements that professional florists create is a mixed bouquet in a vase. We're using a blush pink vase from FlorGlas, and we have a wide variety of flowers. So using the tools that we talked about, we'll be able to create this efficiently and make a gorgeous arrangement. So you see how quickly and efficiently we can make an arrangement by simply adding flowers to a fabulous foliage bouquet. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.